All right, friends, we are back. And this jackpot here, won by Wifey's friend Lance, is why we are over here at Wonder 4 Boost Gold. We're trying to replicate this. Lance won it on like a, what was it, a 220 bet. And he was down to his last 20. So Wifey was like, I want to go find this. So here we are. Do you want to change the games? Wifey? The same things, right?
Yeah.
Pompeii on the top. Buffalo Gold on the bottom. It's just kind of like Buffalo. I mean, it's Timberwolves. The Minnesota Timberwolves just lost, so maybe it's unlucky. Okay, so what's going on here? Oh, I didn't put money in. I was binking at me, and Wifey was like, you didn't put money in. Okay, here's $100. Okay, I think we have the right games. It's fine. All right, here we go, people. We're trying to replicate that, right, Wifey? Let's go. We're at the beautiful Durango. It is June 1st. As you can see, the sun is shining. The sun is shining. And will this slot machine be shining? Good luck for us. All right, some line hits coming up. So we actually were playing on the other side, and then Wifey was like, go to the machine you wanted to play it first. And it was actually this machine, I forgot. So I thought it was gonna be the machine to our right, but I was like, oh yeah, it was the one, because it had the least amount of glare. So we're betting 220 a spin to start. Haven't got many of those bonus symbols so far. So pretty much you're betting 60 cents, 60 cents, 50, 50 on this one. So when you get a bonus round that only gives like $20, we're getting $20 off of like a, you know, smallish bet. Because we're betting 220, but it's split 4 ways. We could have used this sunset in the middle over here. It was not meant to be. Oh my goodness, where was this? We can use this one, number 2, over here again. That would have been really big. Okay, here it goes. Okay.
How come, see, that doesn't go up there?
Yeah, I think they have to be like right next to each other. Which is kind of lame. They have to be like right next to each other to count towards the top. It was our first time playing it. She wanted to play it after, like I said, oh, so many things. Yes? No? It's up there. Okay, right there would have been good. Buffalo and Jacks. Very loud, actually. Okay, come on now.
I wonder if the card is like, I know you won.
My Wifey is one of those people who thinks if you put the card in, they think that you won too much. That'd be too much work for them to do. But should we select new games or what?
If you want to try it, it might be worth it.
Yeah, let's try. Yeah, we'll try one Dragon Gold too. Whoa, here we go. No more Buffalo. But you want to put one Buffalo on the top? Yeah, well, that's right. All 4. Yeah, why not? Yeah, it's a buffet. Wifey's at it. It's a poo-poo platter of slots. Let's go. Okay, what are we looking for? This is like.
The people are gonna comment and say that you never do this.
Never do this. Is this not right, people? It's like 4 Buffalo or 4 whatever Timberwolf. Santa Claus look like Tim Allen right there. Wow, like 0 line hits.
Tim Allen.
Come on, Tim Allen. Okay.
Buffalo likes you.
Buffalo likes us. What is that going to give us? $4 back on a $2 20-cent bets. Oh my god, that scared me so bad. What was that? It's crazy playing 4 games at once.
guess it doesn't matter. I don't think he won on the buffalo. He won with the triggers.
Interesting.
So, whatever you do.
Yeah.
Like if it's all buffalo, you can still win
Yeah, yeah. Oh wow, we got free games. All right.
the buffalo.
It was the buffalo one, yeah. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why it triggers sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. The other, okay. Well, let's get something out of this one. The dog. Ow. All right. The dog. I mean the wolf. Now we're going to buffalo. So buffalo can be really huge. Let's see if we can get a lot of really big situations over here. What do you say, buffalo? Cooperate. Oh. Okay, this is old school buffalo. Okay. Okay. We want to see sunsets and connections. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we got, okay, one more. We need to see some coins to retrigger free games. Oh, sunset for nothing. Sunset for aces. ×3, oh, jacks. The aces doesn't count, yeah. Trigger, another one. You see how hard buffalo is? I wish it would have re-trigger your spins right there. Okay, so now those are, oh, some keep going, no, well, this one counts as ×2 for the elk. $3. That was sadness. She said I would rather not have gotten that bonus. So we put in $2 for that and won $3.20. $1. We got way more than $1 worth of fun, that's for sure. And hope, you know. Hope was quickly turned into despair, but that is buffalo. And I don't know, this machine is kind of, yeah.
Change the games to all buffalo.
All buffalo, okay, Wifey is smart. We're going to call an audible here. All buffalo, all ya. All in. We're all in on buffalo right now, people. Just like when I play poker at the World Series. We're all in with the winner. Buffalo, 2 kings. The strong, majestic animal. I'm giving you a lot of compliments here, Mr. Buffalo, okay? Some jacks over here randomly and 2 up there. Okay. Let's go. We want to see the extreme free games. That goes without saying. Bam, bam. Nope.
So the free games we got last time.
Yeah. That was a good one. That's what we said. Remember, we were like, the machine wants us, you know, it gives you a good win early, and then it kind of felt like that. 9, okay, I didn't do much. A lot of buffalo, but we need them right next to each other. 550 there, okay. Okay. Okay, up there at the top. Do 570 there. Are we even getting any of the red ones? I don't know. Maybe I'm just missing it. A lot of the blue ones. This is going to be extreme free games. Buffalo. $1 back. Okay. Maybe you need to phone a friend to your friend Lance to see how to get $10,000 or more on this game.
You have to lose and then
You have to lose. Okay. So it's going all according to plan. So we have to go to our last $20, as she said, as Lance did. Oh, there's a red one, finally. Okay, but it didn't connect. But, yeah. So down to our last 20 per the strategy. Okay, so here we are. Now we're ready for $15,000. Oh, whoa. This is big right here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be pretty big. ×2.
So
Yeah.
you do need to be down to your last
You do need to do your last 20. Exactly. That was lovely. Okay. Let's see how much we recoup here. So that's a buffalo's 5 of a kind times 2 times 2 times 6 buffalo. If you got any of them times 3, it would have been huge. You can go to times 3. How much is it? 60 bucks.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a good one. For only a 60-cent bet, essentially. That's crazy. If that was actually a $2 bet, like on just one buffalo.
We have to decide if we're staying in this one or go.
Yeah. A couple backups. Let's do a couple backups. How much do you want to do? Let's do a few backups. Let's feel the vibe. Maybe it's heating up. Like I said, we had to go to our last 20, and now here we go. But that's why people love Buffalo, because there's no like Buffalo Link and stuff has like grand jackpot. It's kind of like, you know, Dragon Link. But come on, Blue, you're my boy, Blue. But like you can get incredible line hits if you get sunset, Buffalo, you know, because you get multipliers and all this kind of crazy stuff. And oh my God, red one. Oh, that was like our yeah, that was our first red charge up. How much do you think? So 50? Give it a chance. Let's charge up 50, people. Let's get closure, you know. Let's get some line hits. Let's get some. If it doesn't go until 50, we know it's trying to trick us. But oh, if that was only more buffalo, so you can be times 3. Like just one buffalo, like line hit times 3, you know. Come on, sunsets, queens over there. So you want to really get those sunsets and then 5 of a kind, but like all the way across. Like that was sadness. Bam, bam. Okay, that's not bad. So yeah, but we had times 2, and then one more. So this might be like $4 or $5. $10. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting $10. Okay, good. We have more ammo, people. It wants us to stay. If you want our business, Mr. Buffalo, you have to treat us better. Treat us like well-paying customers, because we are. Okay. Some jacks over there, a couple buffaloes. Okay. And kings over there. Okay, we'd love to see the extreme games. Queens times 3. 36 whole cents. A lot of stuff going on. Oh, come on. Even like the regular free games, of course, we'll take it. Okay.
Yeah, there's like line hits and stuff.
Yeah, okay. Well, we tried. We're not going to lose all of our money on this machine. We're going to go use that ammo for a new machine. I think we got all we could out of it at this point. Thanks for watching. This game is awesome, and we'll be back really soon on another machine. Bye-bye.